Ka kunhun menteri ke sarkar jelah ka khat khandai terik jeliu kala ai ka jimenjur bantung ya ikong Yaman Lang MCM kum ka chairperson bathamai jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women MSCW. Haba penpau syekilat pathai khubor u menteri ketenat social welfare uba polling do ulaong. La thung ya ikong Yaman Lang MCM kum ka chairperson bathamai ka MSCW lingba ka jimenjur da ka kunhun menteri ka sarkar jelah. Ka kong Yaman Lang ka day ka bala syempang bha halor ka phang ka bayade bat kilat ajiya da halor ki hok jong ki kenthai khna bat ka day ru ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights MSCPCR ula benram. Nalor kata idei ru I Associate Professor bala syong thai ka Head of Department berim ka tenat Sociology Hussein Edmonds College. Haba keli ubak pol ulaong kani raban penkelanya ka jingtre kam jong kini ki arteli ki tenat ki bakongsan. Ngidon kam ya kinong yalam ki bangim syem layo ha ki snem ki bala leit no. Bat mentangi layo ya kebriu ka bala syem phang shibun ha ka bayade bat kilat jingada na ka bentak ki kenthai kena. Halor ka jingken jo ka basya kertan ripusan snem ka samoy trekam jong ikong Yaman Lang MCM kum ka chairperson ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kalakut no ha ka shitarik ulber araja arpusaw. Menta insyim tino kum ka chairperson bathamai ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women da ka jing menjur jong ka kunhur menteri ula benram. Kum jo na kaliang ubak polling do u pentip ru ba ka kunhur menteri kala menjur ru ya ka jing terwa ban kentiu ya kerta ha ka jing thungkam ya ka chairperson na ka henripusan syakarta nyo posnem. Ngilapan jing tip na ka tenan an bat ngilayo ya ka jing ai jing mut na ka ni ka tenan ha ka kerdan jong u Advocate General ka sarkar Meghalaya ula ong syusyu.
To obtain the clearance. Appointment of the chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women. There was some criticism in a section of the media concerning the delay in appointing the chairperson of this very important statutory body. But it is important for me to point out here that number one reason for the non-clearance of the non-announcement rather of the name of the chairperson was because of the application of the Model Code of Conduct in view of the parliamentary elections. Two is that after due deliberation, it was evident that the clearance of the name of the chairperson needs to be at the level of the cabinet. And today the cabinet is meeting for the first time after the parliamentary elections. We therefore were not, or rather we didn't have the need to rush to any decision because we have to complete all the required formalities. And one of those formalities was to obtain the clearance of the cabinet. In this same case, since there was another issue linked to this clearance of the name, which is that we have decided to increase the age limit for appointment of the chairperson from 65 years to 70 years, for which we have sought the views of the law department and have obtained the concurrence of the law department at the level of the Advocate General to the government of Meghalaya. So I'm happy to inform you that we have cleared the name of the incumbent, and in this case, Kong Yaman Lang MCM is being appointed with the approval of the cabinet as the new chairperson of the Meghalaya State Women Commission. The details of the concerned incumbent is that she has vast experience in the field of protection of child and women's rights, and she also is chairperson of the Meghalaya Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and a retired associate professor and former head of department of the Sociology Department, St. Edmund's College, Shillong.